Apple just released 8 new emojis for your iPhone. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to do to be able to get all of the new emojis directly on your phone. Now, the first thing we need to do to get all of those is to head into the Settings app of your iPhone. Let me go back to the beginning here. From the beginning of the settings, you're going to go down to the bottom and tap on General. And then you can see software update here midway down. Just tap on that. Now, all of these updates for emojis are built into iOS 26.4, which was just released a few days ago. So update your phone to the latest version. But after you've done that, you need to do 2 steps to make sure you have those emojis. And I'll also walk you through what they are. So after you've updated your iPhone and it's fully updated to iOS 26.4, let's open up your settings again, and we're going to tap on where it says General here, and then we're going to scroll down until we find Keyboard on this list. Tap on that. Now at the very top, you'll be able to see keyboards, in my case 2. Just tap on that and make sure the emoji keyboard is on here. If you don't see those new emojis after you have updated it, you can always just swipe to the left and hit delete. And then hit add new keyboard and tap on emoji to re-add it. Now, the second thing I would recommend doing is just going back 1, back 2, and then we're going to go down to the bottom until we get to transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that and then tap on reset. Now, the nice thing is you can reset your keyboard on your iPhone. iOS 26.4 also has really cool new features and improved accuracy in the keyboard. So I would recommend tapping on Reset Keyboard Dictionary and then just enter in the passcode for your phone and let that reset. Now, after we've done that, you'll be able to open up anything like notes or text message and then find that little smiley face at the bottom left, tap on it, and you'll be able to see these new emojis. In this case, you can just tap on them. However, keep in mind, they won't immediately show up at the beginning. They're just kind of stuck throughout. You can see here's one of the new ones that I can tap on. Now, if you don't see those as you slide through, you can just search for them because they're called Distorted Face, Flight Cloud, Ballet Dancer, Orca, Hairy Creature, aka Bigfoot, Trombone, Landslide, and a Treasure Chest. So if you don't see any of those and you tap on the emoji button, you can just tap on where it says describe an emoji and you can type in, for instance, Orca. And there you go. It pops up right there and you can tap on it and make use of those brand new emojis on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.